but it takes bricks and mortar to speak your mind.
Alright, so we got my friend here pulling around with a big old Jeep, gonna make me look real small.
That bird had a song to sing, something to say.
Okay, so first riding in the Jeep.
I'm so sorry.
First thoughts, I mean, with the wheels being so big and aggressive, it shakes a little bit more, but when you get up to speed, it's fine. But also, whenever you accelerated, it got up to speed faster than I thought it would. And I don't know if that's because mine's a manual, and this is an automatic, but, well, anyways, just another thing to point out that the interior theme in here is blue. She's got the blue LED lights under the seats and the blue grab handles. Mine's red. We'll see that in a few minutes.
Oh, this morning, it had something to say. Is it still, or has it flown away?
I don't know. I think like speed, I think it feels the same. But I'm also going like quarter throttle because I'm scared. I never go up to like past 3,000. So if you're looking to buy a Jeep and you are trying to decide between one that's already lifted and one that's not, I'd say look at like the type of driving you do. So like I do a lot of like highway driving over the summer and like to college and back, and you said you don't do a lot of highway driving.
No.
So I think that more aggressive setup would be perfect for you, but for me it wouldn't. And gas mileage is a big thing. I get like 15 on a good day, and I mean if you haven't had any like gear changes, then you probably get even less, but you might have. So overall, they're both good options. So if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like down below and leave a comment in the comments and tell me what you guys thought. I want to give a big thanks to Andrew Allen, who's behind the camera and is going to do a lot of the editing for this video, as well as Kaylee behind the camera for bringing her Jeep out and letting me kind of review it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
But if I can remember, well,